The Conference Board, a renowned global think tank, has released its forecast for the U.S. economy in 2024. They anticipate a tepid start with 2 quarters of slightly negative GDP growth. Consumer spending growth, the lifeblood of the U.S. economy, is expected to slow and contract in the second and third quarters. However, they believe that labor market conditions will not significantly deteriorate. On the other side of the coin, business investment growth is expected to slow, while residential investment growth waits on the sidelines for interest rates to fall. Government spending, a significant driver of economic activity, is likely to slow in 2024 and 2025. Inflation, that old enemy of stability, is expected to progress steadily with rate cuts starting in the second quarter of 2024. Switching gears, the U.S. economy experienced higher GDP growth in the third quarter, surpassing forecasted figures. This growth was driven by increases in consumer spending, private inventory investment, exports, government spending, and residential fixed investment. However, real fixed investment slowed down. Despite the current boom, some experts believe that a mild recession may occur in early 2024 due to factors such as cost fatigue, rising debt servicing costs, and slowing job growth. However, the chance of a recession based on economists' forecasts has declined from 65% in the third quarter of 2022 to 46% in the third quarter of the following year. Greg Jensen, co-chief investment officer of Bridgewater Associates, warned that U.S. stocks could drop more than 20% over the next 6 months. He pointed to rising interest rates and slowing earnings growth as the main drivers of his stock market forecast. Jensen also anticipates a significant global recession in 2023 and warns that inflation will remain above the Fed's target rate for years to come. To summarize, the U.S. economy forecast for 2024 paints a picture of mild turbulence, with periods of slowing growth and potential contraction. But it's not all doom and gloom. The labor market is expected to remain stable, and inflation is set to progress steadily, with rate cuts starting in the second quarter of 2024. So, is the U.S. economy doomed? Not necessarily, but it seems we may be in for a bit of a bumpy ride. Buckle up, folks. The future, as always, remains uncertain.